This is the view from millions across Delhi NCR during the pollution season, a thick brown haze that barely allows the sun to break through. Inside your home, the goal is the opposite, a clean, safe sanctuary where the air is as clear as it looks in this shot. Most homeowners start with a standard solution, buying a premium portable air purifier and setting it up in the living room or the master bedroom. You turn it on, watch the sensor turn from red to green, and assume that your family is now protected throughout the house. But you quickly realize that to keep that air clean, you must keep every door tightly sealed to trap the purified air inside a single room. The moment you step out of that room into the corridor or head to the kitchen, you're leaving that protected bubble behind. Simple daily movements, cooking, opening the front door, or just walking between rooms, instantly floods these transitional spaces with unfiltered PM 2.5. It's a frustrating trade-off. You've invested in high-end devices, yet you're still breathing smog the moment you leave your bedroom. It raises a practical question. Is the only answer to buy a separate machine for every single room in the house? Relying on single-room boxes creates a fragmented environment, leaving significant gaps in your home's air quality. A portable air purifier is bound by the volume of the room it's in. It physically cannot pull air from a different floor or a distant hallway. This is due to the Clean Air Delivery Rate, or CAD, which is the primary metric used to measure a purifier's performance. CAD defines the specific volume of air a machine can effectively clean within a set amount of time. You can see this on the AHAM verified label, which suggests a maximum room size based on CAD numbers. A vital detail in the fine print, these ratings assume the room is completely closed to achieve the necessary 4.8 air changes every hour. If you leave the bedroom door open to the hallway, the volume of air the machine has to treat suddenly doubles or triples, and the purification rate can no longer keep up. To overcome this, you would need to install a dedicated purifier in every bedroom, the dining area, and the living room. This creates a heavy management load. You're now responsible for tracking filter life, power consumption, and settings for half a dozen different machines. Even with multiple units running, transitional areas like kitchens and corridors often remain neglected and unfiltered. The per-room strategy forces a choice between living in sealed boxes or managing the noise and maintenance of multiple appliances. There is a different way to look at household utilities that moves away from individual appliances. Consider how we treat water. You don't put a separate filter on every single tap, shower head, and bathroom sink in the house. Most modern homes use a central RO system, ensuring clean water flows through every pipe automatically. We can apply that same centralized philosophy to the air, treating the entire home as a single, unified environment. This matrix shows the difference. Individual purifiers offer limited coverage, requiring closed doors, while central systems provide clean air everywhere. Instead of adjusting settings daily, a central system operates passively. This ensures transitional spaces like corridors and kitchens receive the same filtration as your bedroom. This is achieved through positive pressure. The system constantly pushes filtered air inside, forcing polluted air out through natural gaps in windows and doors. A positive pressure model is an architectural solution that eliminates unprotected zones and allows you to move freely between rooms without closing doors. This shift from theory to practice is possible through hardware specifically designed for Indian apartments. This is the core design of the AQI0 system. A single installation can handle a typical 2 to 4 BHK home, covering up to 2,000 square feet of living space. The system is designed to keep PM 2.5 levels consistently below 15 micrograms per cubic meter throughout the entire floor plan. It also monitors what portable units often miss. It brings in fresh, filtered air to keep indoor CO2 levels below 1,000 parts per million. These are the benchmarks: consistent PM 2.5 below 15, low CO2 levels, and coverage for your whole home. It's important to note the trade-off. This isn't a plug-and-play appliance. It requires a professional, one-time installation to integrate with your home. But that initial setup replaces the daily hassle of managing multiple machines and the constant need to keep your family behind closed doors. For the homeowner who wants reliable air quality in every square foot of their home without the manual upkeep of portables, AQI0 provides a permanent solution. Visit the website to see how it integrates with your layout.